Hello, hello, hello. This is Stephanie with Simple Realty, and today we're just going to talk simple real estate to hopefully increase your knowledge base, because you don't know what you've not been told. Since you're already watching, I know you know what to do with those like and subscribe buttons down below, so let's go. Today I'm going to start a mini series called Are You Financially Ready to Buy a Home? And it's going to be broken down into 4 separate videos. Number 1, your budget, your credit score. 2, mortgage pre-qualification, pre-approval, your payments. 3, down payment. And 4, monies needed prior to closing and closing costs. Today's topic, your budget, your credit score. First things first, you need to know what you can afford. There's nothing more frustrating than finding that perfect house only to learn you can't afford it. So the very first action I recommend is to get very familiar with your budget. No point in being in a great home and house poor. I know that it's going to sound overly simple, but it's necessary. You need to start by tracking everything you spend for a couple of months. It's going to give you a really clear picture of your finances. Are you ending each month with a lack or surplus? There are plenty of online budget spreadsheets. I personally just wrote mine down in a notebook, but it simply boils down to how much money you currently have coming in and going out on a regular basis. And while you're compiling this information, it's also a good idea for you to start gathering documentation needed for the loan process. Employment verification, bank account statements, brokerage statements, all the way down to your last few pay stubs. Don't worry about writing those down. Your lender is going to give you a list of what they need. Go ahead and play around with a few online mortgage calculators to start looking at the numbers. No harm in it, but just remember they're estimates only. Start thinking about finding a lender. If you don't know one, talk to friends, family, or if you plan on working with a specific buyer's agent, they can make great recommendations. Go ahead and pull your credit score. The score you're shooting for is a minimum of 580 or above for FHA, USDA, and 620 up for conventional VA. There are 3 major credit reporting companies here in the U.S., Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and they are required to provide you 1 free report every 12 months. The score you get is not going to be the one that your lender uses, but it's pretty close. Take a look at the report. Sometimes there's errors and you need to fix them. Also, if your score is too low, you're going to need some credit repair. Why is this important? It's important because it's directly related to your future interest rate. Now, if you're serious about moving forward, make a decision on which lender you're going to use and take that next step to get pre-qualified and pre-approved, which will be in part 2 of the mini-series, Are You Financially Ready to Buy a Home? I hope that this builds on your real estate knowledge. If you want another topic, shoot me a message down below. I'll help out where I can. Thanks for listening. Push all of those positive buttons down below. Go find me on Instagram for more fun real estate stuff, YouTube under Stephanie Gavric, or check out my website, Simple Realty, for more information about me and my company. Thanks and have a great day.